Hello friends, welcome back to our CodeFacts YouTube channel. Today we will see what is variable and how to use that. Variables is a thing where we can store some values. Once we stored one value in that variable, we can use that variable anywhere in the program. Okay, now let's see it in the program. Now I am going to say how to store a string variable and to print that. Now I am giving one variable a equal to and I am giving one string. String must be given inside the double quotes and I am going to print that. To run this program we have to save this file. So I am saving. Now I am running this program. The output is shown here. So the value ABCD is stored in the variable A. We have done this by using the assignment operator. It is the main tool to store a value in a variable. The variable can be any name A, B. You can give as per your wish. Okay, now we see how to print two variables. So I am giving another variable B equal to and some string or some value. I want to print two variables. So I am giving print A comma B. Now I am going to run this. See, two values are printed separated by space. And we can also concatenate two strings by using the plus operator. If I give plus between instead of comma, then two strings will add and print. Now you can see both the strings concatenate and printed as a single string without any space. Likewise, we can also directly give some string like this inside the print statement. It will also print. And we can also declare numbers in the variables. See, now I am giving A equal to 5 and I am giving print A. Now it's the 5 get printed in the screen. Now let's declare one decimal value in the another variable and I am going to add those two. We will see what the output is. I am giving B equal to 5.66. So I am going to add that. So print A plus B. Now I am going to run this file. See, we get a decimal value as the output. You can also give print 10 plus B. 10 is added to the value stored in the B. So I am running this program. See, the 10 is added to the value stored in the B variable. So I am getting 15.66. Now let's see shorthand arithmetic operations. Now I am giving A plus equal to 10. The meaning of this is A equal to A plus 10. That means the 10 is added to the value stored in the variable A. Now let's run this program. See, the output is shown here. 10 is added to the variable A. Okay, now we are going to see type conversion. Now I am assuming price equal to 50. Now I am giving print double quotes the price of apple is plus price. Now I am going to run this program. See, one error is occurred. So we cannot concatenate an integer variable with the string directly. So we have to change the type of the integer variable. We have to change the integer type into a string type. So I am giving str of price, so that the integer type is changed into a string type. Now I am running this program. See, it is printed. So we cannot concatenate the integer with the string directly. So I am using the function str_of. Okay, that's all. Thanks for watching, and who are all not subscribed our YouTube channel, please subscribe and click that bell icon.